I ran out of space for my drawing. Wait, have I used up all my paper? Oh no, I can't draw anymore! Mom!
Are you okay, honey?
I ran out of paper!
Don't worry. Watch this. I'll just run the iron over the paper and the ink disappears.
Whoa! Witchcraft! Now I can draw! Thanks, Mom!
No problem, sweetie. Go ahead, draw something pretty.
Look at my doll, Mommy!
Uh-huh. That's nice, dear.
I'm bored now. I'll just play with this teddy instead. Ugh, I'm done with this. Vroom, vroom! I want new toys!
What's going on? Shh! Mommy doesn't like loud noises. Do you have an off button or something? Fine. Take the car keys. It's okay. Go ahead. I thought that might work.
This is gonna be so much fun! Whoa! It's so shiny! And it's all mine. I don't even have a license. Buckle up! This is gonna be fast! Safety first! Let's do this! Vroom! Whoa, I'm the best driver ever! Beep beep, out of the way! Beep beep! Wow! Hi! Check out my car! It's amazing!
Are you okay, sweetie? Oh, okay. I get it. That's one fancy car.
I wish I had a car like that.
If only there was something I could do. Huh? What's that? Is that a toy car? This must be my lucky day! I can give this to Annie! But she needs to drive it somewhere. I know what to do! Lay a white t-shirt on a flat surface. Use a black pen to draw a curving line. Do this all the way down the t-shirt. Draw a second line, making a road. Now draw the road markings. Once you've done that, start to fill the road in. Make sure you draw around the road markings. When you're done, you should have something like this. It's time to start your engines! Hey, Annie, I have something for you. But that's not all.
Wow! A road! That's amazing! Vroom, vroom!
It's like a mini massage.
This is great, Mom! This is the fastest car ever! Watch this!
Huh?
Oops!
It's okay, honey. It's just a little back pain. Ahem. This is so humiliating.
Oops! Is it morning already?
Wakey wakey, ma'am. Sorry about the flowers. Anyway, what would you like to wear?
I don't know. None of them.
Excellent, ma'am. These are nice.
No.
Ooh, it's so sparkly.
No, I don't like them.
Maybe we keep it simple?
Nope!
I need a new job. Just coming, ma'am! Whoa! That's gonna hurt later. These are all the clothes in this house.
No!
Seriously? Hang on. Maybe we can use those VR goggles. I should have thought of this earlier.
I don't want to play games.
Just put it on.
Who turned out the lights?
Hold on.
Ooh, this is fancy.
At last.
I don't like it.
Of course you don't.
Oh, they're cute! How do I look?
Beautiful.
Thanks. You can go now. I need to sleep.
What? Are you kidding me?
I hate that rooster. Ugh, I'm so tired. I suppose I better get up.
What's that smell? It's gross.
Oh, it's me. What should I wear today? That's it? That's all I've got? One t-shirt? And it's got a hole in it. I've got to wear something. I suppose it'll have to do. It's so unfair. I wish I had a new wardrobe. What's that? Hey, I forgot about this. Maybe I could use this to find a new outfit. This'll be great. That's cute. Something a little more casual. What's next? Ooh, I suit red. It's a pity I don't have any of these clothes. Just this old t-shirt. You know, this is fun. Wow! Wow, Mom! Look over there! What is it, honey? Whee! This juice box is good! Oh, it's empty! I need to get another one. Let's go, Mom!
Okay, but let's be quick. It's nice to sit down and relax.
This juice box is really empty. I was wanting to try it.
Never mind, honey. Maybe I can help. I have some water.
Water is boring.
Oh, okay. I know! I have some strawberry jam! I can add this to the water. I can't let Annie see. That should do it.
Mom? What are you doing? I want juice.
Ugh, I tried.
Life is so cruel.
Wait. I think I know what to do. I can use this juice carton. I'll just cut it in half, then put the water inside. Annie will never know. Meh, it's good enough. Annie, this is for you.
Really? This is great! Thanks, Mom!
No problem, honey.
I love having my own pool! Look at me! I'm swimming! Ew, that was hard work. I should take it easy. It's so warm. I need to cool down.
Here you go, ma'am.
Is this a joke? What is that?
It's water.
Uncle, we have a problem. I want a refreshing drink.
I'm on it.
Nah.
Betty deserves the best, freshest orange juice. Imagine serving her water. Don't worry, Betty. This is ridiculous. Here you go, ma'am.
What took so long? I'm telling Mommy! The service is awful. So this is my home. Wow, it's huge. No. Sit down.
Whoa, you got so many toys.
And a lot of money. What do you have?
It's not that impressive.
Is that it?
Yeah, this is my monkey.
Yikes.
Look at all those bags.
You're so lucky.
They're amazing. Wow.
Yeah, I need a new bag every day.
I want a closer look. I've never seen so many handbags. They're so pretty. Ooh, look at this one.
What are you doing? Excuse me? Give me that. This is really expensive. Look at those grubby fingerprints.
I just have this plastic bag. I never have nice things. Oh, I wonder what's in that box.
Where are you going now?
Look at all this cool stuff!
That's just garbage.
I could use this box. Give me a minute. Look at my new bag!
Ooh, I love it!
Where did you get it?
I need to have it!
Take it.
Oh my gosh, this is the best! It's my new favorite! Thanks so much!
Maybe we could do a trade?
I should have known there was a catch. I suppose it's only fair. But I'm not happy. Here, you can take this.
For real?
It's yours. Anyway, I have this. It's not fitting on the shelf. I've changed my mind. Annie? She was right here.
Life can be pretty different depending on how many zeros are in your bank account. But one thing money can't buy is a parent's love. What cute things do your parents do for you? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.